Sharp. This 2009 Expedition XLT 4-wheel drive in black clear coat paint with stone leather captain chairs comes with a 5.4-litre V8 engine. This Ford Expedition is equipped with auxiliary rear heat and air conditioning, safety canopy with rollover sensing, XLT Colonnades package, premium 6-disc and -CD stereo, fold flat third-row seat, running boards, luggage rack, keyless entry pad, trailer tow package, third-row safety canopy, side airbags, personal safety system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS and more. Deal direct with Internet Manager John Carlson for a hassle-free, straightforward buying experience. Call John Carlson at 309-661-3108 for a pre-inspection and accurate description of this vehicle before you make a trip out to see this.